Okay, this is our landscaping contract for Mount Merrion in Dublin. We have an apron using Tegula paving. We have a recessed manhole, hiding a manhole. A new fence dividing the neighbours. Stepping stones using silver granite. And cobble edge and beds. The driveway is Ballylusk gravel. We have 3 Linistra lollipops with Bux's hedge and alliums. We have a travertine step, a large planter, Bux's ball. A utility area designed for storing bikes. We use corrugated perspex on the roof to protect from moisture. Have a Bradstone patio. We use coated brown limestone for the step. Frame the doors with rhododendrons and planters. The Bradstone acts as a divide between the paving. We've used coated blue again for the path and the circle, so it acts as a divide and looks well. We've done fencing on both sides using pressure treated Scandinavian spruce. Apparently the fire pit has been a great success. You put in your coals, you use your grill, and you do your barbecuing. When you finish your barbecuing, take off the grill, throw on a few logs, and you have a nice campfire for the evening. Okay, we've used granite cobbles to frame and act as a mowing edge with the lawn. There's lighting all the way through the garden. Here you can see a small pin light, micro light. And for the 2 trees we have a lawn light. Looks great at night. This garden is for kids as well, so we've used plenty of grass, and we've got synthetic grass as well for the football area. We have a Baumanns garden shed, 7x5 with a log store. And we've used Portuguese laurels to act as a screen. To the side of the shed we have a utility area, out of sight. Small paved area. I'm going to put in a pergola at some stage, at a later stage. An area for composting, compost bin. A nice Acer Crimson King. It's not in leaf at the moment, but it'll look great with a red leaf contrasting with the conifers behind. All the planting is low maintenance. We have, say, 70% shrubs, 30% perennials. 3 echiums there. They look great in the summer. Got flowers about 7 foot long. Retained the lilac. We have water butts either side of the house collecting water. Okay, that's our garden on Mount Merrion.